Here's your weed stock news for today. Evenco announced its interim financial results for the 3 and 6 month periods ended June 30th, 2019. Q2 net revenue was $0.5 million. Gross margin was $180,000, which is 38.5% of total revenue. Net income was $400,000. Cash and cash equivalents at the end of the Q2 period were $14.9 million. Khiron Life Sciences announced that its shares have received Depository Trust Company full service eligibility in the United States. DTC eligibility is expected to simplify the process of trading and transferring of the company's common shares in the United States. DTC eligibility permits shares of Khiron to be distributed, settled, and serviced through DTC's automated processes, leveraging the efficiencies created through the electronic clearing and settlement of securities. DTC services provide cost benefits for investors and brokers trading Canadian securities in the United States. Organigram Holdings has received its final approval for the listing of its common shares on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Organigram's common shares will commence trading on the TSX at the opening at Thursday, August 22nd of this year, continuing to trade under the symbol OGI. Organigram's common shares will be delisted from the TSX Venture Exchange at the commencement of trading on the TSX. Canopy Growth has received its license from Health Canada for its Key Leaf Life Sciences facility in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Canopy Growth now operates 3 significant extraction assets to support the throughput required for large-scale value-add product development. Canopy Growth recently retrofitted the now fully licensed Key Leaf facility, which it expects to be online in the fall of 2019 and has the capacity to extract up to 5,000 kilograms of hemp or cannabis biomass per day. iAnthus Capital has entered into a term sheet and is actively negotiating definitive documents for a senior secured term loan of up to $50 million US from one or more investment funds managed by Torian Capital Partners. The term loan is expected to be made available in 2 tranches of $25 million US. The net proceeds of the term loan will be used to support iAnthus's near-term growth efforts, which are expected to include the ongoing expansion of iAnthus's Florida footprint and the build-out of new B retail locations in Nevada, New Jersey, and New York. MediPharm Labs has appointed patient care and medical cannabis researcher Dr. Carolina Landolt-Marticarena. She's an MD and PhD in structural biochemistry. She's been added to the Science Advisory Committee. Dr. Landolt-Marticarena also serves on the Cannabis Medical Advisory Board of Shoppers Drug Mart. Forefront Ventures has begun trading today on the OTC Market Group's OTCQX Best Market under the new ticker symbol FFNTF. TrueTrace Technologies has signed a letter of intent to establish a strategic working relationship with Anandia Labs. The 2 companies intend to collaborate on an integrated testing solution in relation to TrueTrace development of a blockchain-secured traceability ecosystem for the cannabis industry. Anandia will serve as primary analytical and genetic testing partner in the TrueTrace ecosystem. Medicalcana Organics has signed a licensing and processing services agreement with Herbolia Biotech. Herbolia Biotech is an Italian-based biotech company that has developed bioherbolysis, a patent-pending process for the extraction and preservation of cannabis from newly harvested or dried material. With the closing of these 2 agreements, Medicalcana will have the license and rights to use bioherbolysis for their extraction requirements, as well as offer processing services to third parties in Colombia, delivering full-spectrum oil, distillates, and crystals. And that's your news for today, folks. And for more, go to MidasLetter.com and click on the Cannabis Daily.